Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to remove Gemini from your power button. First, navigate to your phone's main settings. You can usually find this by swiping down from the top of your screen and tapping the gear icon. Once in settings, scroll down and look for options related to apps or digital assistant. This is where we will begin the process of unlinking the assistant from your power button. Next, within the Apps or Digital Assistant section, you'll want to find the specific setting that controls your default digital assistant. This might be labeled Default Digital Assistant App or something similar. Tap on this option, and you should see a list of available assistants. Select None or choose to clear the current default to stop Gemini from launching. Sometimes, the assistant is linked through a gesture setting. Go back to your main settings and search for Gestures or System Navigation. Look for an option that specifically mentions the power button and its function. Ensure that any shortcut assigned to the digital assistant is disabled. A quick restart of your device can help ensure all changes are properly applied and take effect. After completing these steps, press your power button to confirm that Gemini no longer launches. If it still appears, double-check all the settings we covered. Remember, device menus can vary slightly, so explore similar options if you don't find the exact labels. Also, for those looking to improve their financial outlook, check the description for a link to *The Simple Path to Wealth* and other helpful deals. It's a fantastic resource.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.